This guide will explore how to set the Ostorlab ticket aggregation settings. The ticket aggregation settings allow you to group the vulnerabilities based on defined criteria that can ease the vulnerability management lifecycle. Access the settings using the left menu in the Remediation section. You have two modes. Platform Groups allows you to define groups of platforms, such as combining Android File and Android Store into a single Android aggregation group. This is ideal for managing vulnerabilities that affect an application deployed on multiple platforms. Application Groups allows you to define groups based on specific application identifiers. This is suitable for grouping vulnerabilities across different environments or platforms of the same application or multiple applications. Choose your aggregation method. In this case, we select Application Groups. Select the Application Aggregation field to add your Application IDs groups. Add your Application IDs based on the defined pattern. The Application ID part accepts a regular expression. Make sure to add all the Application IDs you want to group in same ticket. Click on Add Application IDs to define one group based on the inserted items. You can add as many groupings as you need. Here we will add iOS application IDs. Add all the application IDs to group. Click Add Application IDs to add the new group. Take a moment to validate the new groups you created, ensuring they meet your needs. Save your changes to activate the new settings, ensuring your ticket aggregation is applied. Once clicked, the existing ticket will be closed, and new tickets will be created based on the new configuration. By utilizing the ticket aggregation settings feature, users will experience improved organization and efficiency in vulnerability tracking.